There is a new AI-based website that is helping regular people in the United States earn money online in 2025. This method does not require any special skills, experience, or technical background. All you need is basic internet access and a phone or laptop. If you're looking for a simple and realistic side hustle, this method is worth your attention. Welcome back to Side Hustle Nation, where we talk about real ways to make money online. This channel focuses on beginner-friendly side hustles that work in the US market. Today's method is simple, scalable, and trending right now. Make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss the most important tips. Side hustles are growing faster than ever in 2025. Businesses want fast results without hiring full-time employees. That is why they are turning to freelancers who use AI tools. This shift has opened the door for beginners to earn money easily. The AI website used in this method helps improve and rewrite content. Businesses use it to save time and avoid plagiarism issues. Instead of rewriting content themselves, they pay freelancers to do it. Your role is simply to operate the AI tool and deliver clean results. Companies are willing to pay because fresh content performs better online. Search engines favor original and updated text. Businesses do not want legal or SEO problems caused by copied content. Paying freelancers is cheaper and faster for them. Beginners usually earn between $50 and $80 per day using this method. With experience, many freelancers reach $100 to $150 daily. Some even earn more with repeat clients and fast delivery. Your income depends on consistency and speed. Getting started is very simple and beginner-friendly. You sign up on the AI platform using your email address. No credit card is required in the beginning. The free version is enough to complete your first tasks. Once you log in, the dashboard is easy to understand. You will see tools for rewriting, improving, and summarizing text. Each tool works within seconds. This allows you to complete many tasks quickly. You do not earn directly from the AI website itself. Instead, you use it to complete paid work for clients. Freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are perfect for this. These platforms already have buyers searching for services daily. Creating your first freelance gig is very easy. You can offer services like rewriting or improving content using AI. Keep your description simple and professional. This builds trust with US-based clients. As a beginner, you should start with lower prices. Charging $10 to $20 helps you get your first reviews. Reviews are more important than money in the beginning. Once you have reviews, you can increase your prices. When a client sends you content, you paste it into the AI tool. The AI instantly creates a new and improved version. You quickly review it for clarity and grammar. Then you send it back to the client. This method is perfect for beginners because the AI does most of the work. You do not need to be a professional writer. Your job is mainly checking and formatting. Anyone can learn this in a single day. Most tasks take only 5 to 15 minutes to complete. This means you can finish many orders in one day. Completing more orders increases your daily income. That is how people reach $150 daily. Once you get comfortable, you can scale your earnings. You can raise prices and offer faster delivery. You can also sell larger content packages. These small changes make a big difference. US clients love fast and reliable service. They care more about results than how the work is done. AI helps you deliver quality content quickly. This leads to repeat orders and long-term clients. Always review AI-generated content before submitting it. Small mistakes can reduce your ratings. Good communication is also very important. Professional behavior helps you stand out. You can also offer monthly content services to businesses. Many companies need regular updates. Monthly clients create stable income. This turns a side hustle into a reliable source of money. AI freelancing is not a short-term trend. Businesses will continue to need content support. AI tools will only improve with time. Starting early gives you an advantage. You do not need to be perfect to begin. You only need to take action and stay consistent. Thousands of people are already using this method. There's no reason you cannot do the same. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to Side Hustle Nation. New money-making videos are posted regularly. Comment next if you want tomorrow's topic and script. I'll see you in the next video.